Hello everyone, this is Priya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a Pandas data frame from a Python dictionary. So let's get started. First of all, we need to import the Pandas library. For that, I'll just run this cell import pandas as pd, and here I have created an example dictionary. And as we know that the dictionaries hold data in the form of key value pairs, so here I have taken four keys: name, sold, review and rating, and these are the values in the form of lists. All the lists in this dictionary must be of the same length. So I'll just run this cell, and here you will see that this is our example dictionary. To create a data frame from this dictionary, let's quickly check out the documentation. So here is the documentation which you could access on this website, pandas.pydata.org, and here you will see in the data frame constructor we have various parameters like data, index, columns, data types, and this copy, and we'll try to explore them one by one. So let's go back to the notebook. Also here I'm using Jupyter notebook as for the demo purpose, but you could use any IDE of your choice. So to create a data frame from this dictionary, I'll just type df is equal to pd dot data frame. Here D and F must be the uppercase letters, and here I'll pass my example dictionary. Data is equal to ex underscore date, and I'll just run this. So here this is our data frame. The thing to notice is here the keys like the name, sold, review and rating have become our column names here, and these lists have become the column values. Another thing to notice is here the row indices are 0, 1, 2, 3, and that are default values provided by the pandas. I haven't provided anything yet for the row indices, but you could change it. To change these row indices to some values of your choice, you could use the index parameter. So I'll just copy paste it here, and what you'll do is just type index is equal to, here I'm taking ABCD, but you could use like anything of your choice or as per your use case. So I'll just run this cell. So here you'll notice now I got new row indices A, B, C, D. Next important parameter is the columns parameter, in which comes handy when suppose you have a very large dictionary containing lots of items and you want to use only a couple of items for your analysis. So you could always do that. You need to use the columns parameter. So to do that, I'll just copy paste it here, and I'll type columns is equal to, say I only want this name and sold column. I don't want the other two columns as of now. So I'll just run this cell, and you will notice I got only two columns, name and sold. I don't have this review and rating anymore in this new data frame. Next is the use of data types parameters. So for the data type, if you want to know the data types of your columns in the data frame, just type df dot dtypes and just run this cell. So you'll see that the name column has data type object, the sold column has data type int64. But if you want to change the data type of your column, say you want to change this int64 to float64, so you could do that. For that you just copy paste it here, okay, and type dtype is equal to, say I want it to be float64, and just run this cell. Let me break it into two lines so that it's more visible. Yes, So here, if you run this cell, you'll see that the sort column has now floating point numbers. Again, if you want to check the data types, just type df dot d types and just run this cell, and you'll see that now the sort column has uh, float 64 data types. So that's how you change your data types. And this is pretty much all about how we create a pandas data frame from a dictionary where the values are in the form of lists. And if you find this video useful, please do like, subscribe and share, and hope to see you in the next video soon. Bye.